What's up, my Credit with Capital crew? This is Renata with Credit with Capital. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell button so you won't miss out on any information that we put out on every single Wednesday. Now, today, we are going to talk about how to get a higher internal credit score with Navy Federal Credit Union. Okay? And don't forget, watch to the very end because you know I got that bonus information for you. So, without further ado, let's get it. Okay, you guys, thank y'all so much for tuning in. Now, to get a higher, now everybody know that Navy Federal has their own internal credit score. Now, for you to get a higher internal credit score, the first thing that you need to do is make your payments on time. You need to make sure that you have current payments. There's no errors, there's no late payments or nothing, because Navy Federal Credit Union takes payments history into account when calculating their internal credit score for paying your bills on time. So make sure you do so, okay? Secondly is keep your credit utilization low. Your credit utilization rate is one of the most important factors that will determine your internal credit score, okay? And now aim to keep your credit score utilization 30%, if not lower. You know me, I always say that sweet spot is 10%. So, hey, to each his own. But I would do that 10%. Now, number 3, monitor your credit report regularly. Make sure that the information on your credit report is accurate and up to date. If you find any errors, contact the credit bureaus, which is TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian, and they will actually let them know what information is incorrect, and they will actually go ahead and assist you with that information, okay? So make sure your personal as well as your lending part is correct, though, I always say. And then next, get a Navy Federal Credit Union card. Now, having a credit card with Navy Federal Credit Union can help to improve your internal credit score. Now, getting this card, I did I do a video? Yes, I actually did a video. I will put it here. No, not here, but over here, of how you can actually get a Navy Federal credit card with 25K, okay? And it will actually tell you exactly what you need to do. But the first thing you need to do, I'm going to tell you a little bit, is you need to become a member if you're not. So make sure you check that out, okay? Again, I will put it here. Now, avoid applying for new cards. Too many inquiries can hurt your interior scoring. Avoid applying for new credit cards unless it is necessary, okay? Now, the only reason why you should be way that you should apply for multiple credit cards if you're doing the multi-card strategy, and that is basically applying for multiple cards at one time and only getting one inquiry on one of the bureaus or two of the bureaus. And again, they are TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. Okay, now the multi-card strategy, put a link in below. Let me know if you want me to do a video about it. I could actually show y'all how y'all could actually get multiple cards using limited inquiries, okay? Because that's the whole point. We need to get this money so we can actually get on these get this business up and running, okay? Now, bonus round. Okay, you guys, bonus round. Now, this bonus round is just basically what factors that Navy Federal will not deny your credit card approval. Okay? Now, the first reason why they will not deny your credit card approval is that you are a Navy Federal credit member. You have good credit scores, having a sufficient income. Okay, you have a valid government issue or photo ID. That's if you're in the military. But if you know somebody in the military, you can actually get their what is it, access code, and you can actually become a member by doing so. Okay. Now, second is having a valid social security number. You have to be a U.S. citizen or a must be a resident, be a permanent resident, okay, in the U.S. Okay, and you have to be 18 years or older and have a valid mailing address. Now, I went over all this, but make sure you check that video out. It goes in a little bit of detail. Okay, so those are the 8 factors that will you will not be denied for a Navy Federal credit card. Okay, thank you. Okay, you guys, thank y'all so much for watching. I appreciate all of you. Thank you so much for listening. And this is just how you can actually get a higher internal credit score with Navy Federal. Okay, make sure you check me on my podcast. Make sure you check out more of my YouTube videos and join the Facebook group, please, y'all. And if y'all want me to talk about personal or business, please put it in the chat below. I'll be here to help. Thank you so much. Again, my name is Renata. This is Credit with Capital. Be you, be true, and let's keep moving forward. And I'll see you on the next video.